Well, the Indian government estimates that the tariff blow could affect nearly 0.8 billion worth of exports, making shipments to its biggest overseas markets commercially unviable. Labor-intensive sectors like textiles, gems, jewelry, and leather goods are among the hardest hit. The concern is that these new tariffs will not just slow growth, but also wipe out jobs across India's manufacturing hubs. My colleagues Harsha as well as Himanshu decode the impact of the imposition of these tariffs and possible export threats. Take a look.
The Trump tariffs are threatening to take the sheen out of Jaipur's jewelry business. The jewelry exports in Jaipur are a thriving business. In fact, 4,000 to 5,000 crores of gems and jewelry and colored stones are exported from Jaipur alone. I have with me Sudhir Kasliwal. The Gem Palace is one of the oldest shops in Jaipur. In fact, they have a business which was closely associated with the royal family. They were jewelers to the royal family of Jaipur. You were also sending jewelry abroad. You were not just doing traditional jewelry. How badly has that been hit?
You see, almost 60 to 70% of our export orders have been kept on hold lately after the Trump tariff announcement.
What are your customers saying about that? I mean, they must be with you on email. What is the concern?
The concern is increase in cost because they are wholesalers and they are also going to sell it to their customers.
Do you think domestic sales to tourists, foreign tourists will also be affected?
Out of all the domestic, the foreign travelers coming to Jaipur, our sales are almost 70 to 80% to American tourists. They are our big buyers. When they buy from India and when they go back, they have to pay import duty in America.
Right.
In
they
United
States.
They have to declare, and they all declare it, of course. So that's why they will also be very hesitant to make big purchases here while traveling to Jaipur or to India. United States, for us, they were the biggest buyers, be it export or domestic. So all the karigars will definitely be badly affected. They'll get no jobs. They'll get jobless. Why will we keep artisans if we don't have work?
In Jaipur, Harsha Kumari Singh, NDTV.
क्या आकलन है जो एक्सपोर्टर्स हैं भारत में, उन पर कितना असर पड़ेगा इसका?
भारत के एक्सपोर्टर्स पर इसका बहुत ही बुरा और भयानक असर पड़ेगा जो अमेरिका को एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं। कुछ ऐसे एक्सपोर्टर हैं जो 100% अपनी प्रोडक्शन अमेरिका में एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं। उनके लिए तो एक जैसे पहाड़ गिर गया उनके ऊपर, तो उनके लिए बड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा है। उनके लिए जहाँ से वो माल लेते थे MSME वो बंद हो रही है, लोग अपने वर्कर्स को निकाल रहे हैं।
आपने जो एक बयान जारी किया उसमें कहा गया है कि नोएडा में, सूरत में कुछ टेक्सटाइल यूनिट्स हैं, एक्सपोर्ट यूनिट्स, वहाँ पर काम रोका गया है अभी।
टेक्सटाइल वाले भी और ये लेदर वाले भी, लेदर वालों ने भी कोई लेआउट शुरू की है। तो प्रॉब्लम तो बहुत बड़ी है, बहुत बड़ी है,
छोटी बड़ी है। तो आपने सरकार से ये कहा है कि सरकार से सहायता की ज़रूरत है। किस तरह की सहायता सरकार को करनी चाहिए?
हम ये चाहते हैं कम से कम, देखो ये है पेनल्टी 25%, तो कम से कम 15% के लिए हमें थोड़ा रिलीफ दें, क्योंकि 15% हम ये नहीं चाहते कि हमें कैश दें या जो WTO कंपैटिबल ना हो। हम ये पहले भी उन्होंने एक बार एग्जिम स्क्रिप्ट दिया था, इशू किया था। ऐसे ही स्क्रिप्ट की शेप में 15% अगर हम दे दें तो मेरे ख्याल में ये एक्सपोर्ट को इतना फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा।